everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm going to be doing a try on haul. I haven't done a haul in a very long time and I kind of want to bring those back onto my channel. So you saw on my community tab or on my Instagram, my birthday was a couple weeks ago, so I decided to do some shopping and I mainly shopped on PRETTYLITTLETHING. Honestly, my go-to store was Fashion Nova, but I'm trying to like step away from Fashion Nova because they just don't really give enough love to us brown skin, dark skin girls. So I'm like chugging up the deuces to them. So I switched over to PRETTYLITTLETHING and I did some shopping on there. And then I also did a little bit of shopping at Windsor, Aldo, and Nike. So I'm just gonna hop right in, and like I said, this is a try on haul, so you'll see how they look. I have not recorded the try on portion of this haul yet, so I don't really know how everything fits, but I have tried on just a few things. Just once I got in the mail, I tried on a few things and I've worn a couple of things already, so I'll let you guys know how they fit. So I'm gonna start off with Aldo. So I got two like handbags from Aldo. I got this black bag. It's one of those bags that you like wear across your chest, but it's not a fanny pack to wear around your waist. I mean, I guess you could wear it around your waist, but I would just wear it around my chest. And yeah, I haven't used it or anything yet, but I do like it. I like the size of it. It's not too small because some fanny pack type of bags are like too small that you can't fit anything into them. So I think it's a really nice size, and I like the style of it as well. And then the other handbag I got, I just started wearing this today. So this is just a small brown crossbody, and I really like this bag because, again, like the other one, it's a nice size. I can fit a lot of stuff into it, but it's still pretty small. I like that it has gold detailing on it because I'm not a silver person at all. And then you can adjust the strap to make it longer. And yeah, it has pretty nice, you know, size to do whatever you need in there. So yeah, I really like this bag. It's so cute. And it's really good for the spring because I have a lot of black purses, but I need more brown ones, so I picked this one up. And now we'll go into Windsor. So from Windsor, I got just two bottoms. So the first one is this skirt, and this looks like this. And it's just a little mini skirt, like a snake skin print type of skirt. I just got this because this is very like on trend, I guess. I just realized that the zipper is supposed to go in front because the tag is in the back, so I guess the zipper is supposed to go on the front. You'll see when I do my PRETTYLITTLETHING portion that I got another skirt that's kind of similar to this. And honestly, I'm going to choose whichever one I like the most to keep. And then the other one I would probably just sell on my Poshmark. And then the other thing I got were these pants. These are just striped pants. And I love the colors. These are like my colors, okay? And these are just the kind that like flare at the bottom and they make your butt look good. And I love these pants. These pants are amazing. These type of pants, I should say. And these are really soft. Like, these thick pants are so soft. I did try these on the store and they fit me really well. And I got them in a size small. And then from Nike, I just got some new Forces. I have been wearing Forces like my entire life, honestly. But I've never owned the lows. And I always get my sneakers in boys, so these are a boy 6.5, which is like a women's 8.5. So yeah. So now I'll move on to the bigger portion, which is PRETTYLITTLETHING. Everything that I got is in a size 6, and we're just gonna jump right in. So the first thing that I got, I wore this today. I'm recording this on Easter, so happy Easter. But I got this wrap shirt. It's kind of hard to show it, y'all didn't look at the try on, but I got this because it was really cute on the model, and it has this little strap to strap like around your waist, I guess. But I don't really like this shirt all that much. Like, it's cute, but it just is not that flattering in my opinion. It's not as long as I thought it was going to be. And then it was also kind of annoying because you kind of have to pin it in place in order for it to stay. I kept adjusting my shirt the entire time I was in church, which was very, very annoying. So, yeah, I got one. I like this shirt, but I didn't really like it that much. So the next thing that I got is this bodysuit. It's just a black bodysuit. It's nothing special. The reason why I got it is because it's like a square neckline, and square necklines are like very flattering. One of my favorite bodysuits is from Fashion Nova, and it's like a taupe color and it has a square neck, and that's what I was looking for. But my one issue was that I should have gone a size down. I should have gone a size 4 in this because it's not as tight as I would like it to be. And then another thing is it's actually not as flattering as I was hoping it was going to be. I don't know, it's just not as flattering. It's still cute, like I can still pull it off. I've already worn this shirt, but it's not as popping as I thought it was going to be. The next thing that I got is this blouse. I haven't tried this on yet, so I don't know how this fits, but I also got this because I liked how it looked on the model. The model kind of wore it kind of low cut, like, or whatever, and it just looked really cute. I think she had it like tucked in and whatnot. It's a pretty long shirt, but I just like the vibe of the shirt. The next thing that I got is this wrap shirt. So I have tried this on. I haven't worn it, but I did try it on, and it's really, really cute on. Also that like snake skin print type of shirt, and it just kind of wraps. It's obviously cropped, and I don't know, I just really, really love it. I love like the nude. It's one of my favorites, so I really, really like this. The next thing that I got is another crop top, and it's orange. I love orange on myself. Orange and yellow look so good on us. So I got this shirt, and this is also cropped. It gives me like Mexico vibes, but I like the sleeves. They're like, I don't know if this has a name, but they're flowy. And it's off the shoulder. It's a different material than I thought it was going to be, but it's still very, very cute, and I can't wait to wear this. Hopefully it looks cute because I have not tried this on yet, so hopefully it fits me. But I do really, really love it, and I love the color. It's so bright. The next thing I got is another orange shirt, and I really just got this because it was orange, but it's just a t-shirt with Biggie on it. I look for this a graphic tee, and it's this bright orange, and I love it. The next thing that I got is this shirt, which doesn't look that exciting on camera, but again, I liked how the model was wearing it, so that's why I got this. It's very, very cute. This material is kind of weird, but it's cool. But it is cropped, if you can't tell, and I hope this again fits me. It is a little bit oversized, I believe, just looking at it. Next thing is another bodysuit. So this one, of course, again, is my color, this mustard, like yellow. Nothing exciting, it's just a regular bodysuit, except unlike the other ones, it's ribbed. And this also has a square neck. Again, y'all, square neck is literally the wave. And then this is that same bodysuit, but in white. I just love bodysuits, and I didn't really have any white ones, so I just got this one in white. Now move on to my bottoms. Those are my tops. So this is this snake skin print skirt. So this is the one from Pretty Little Thing, and I haven't tried this on yet. It looks like it should fit though, so hopefully it does. As you can see, this one is different than the one I got from Windsor. So this is the one from Windsor. This is the one from Pretty Little Thing. I like that this one has white in it and, like, I don't know, just more vibrant black in it. I like the pattern on this one more. Next one are some pants, and I've already worn these, but they are just kind of like dress pants basically. They're like ankle length, and I'm 5'6", by the way. There's no zipper or anything, but there is like this elastic and the band, so they're very stretchy up at the top. And then they have these straps so that you can tie it in the front. And then what's different about them is they have this little flare going on at the top, which I think is really, really cute. Again, I've already worn these and they do fit me really, really nicely. They have really good stretch to them, so I really do like these. And the last two things that I got are jeans. So one of the main reasons I was so sad to leave Fashion Nova is because I love Fashion Nova jeans. Like pretty much all of my jeans in my closet are Fashion Nova. So it's the only thing I miss about that, but I need to, you know, branch out. If you guys know of any websites or actual like brick and mortar stores that have really nice jeans that are similar to Fashion Nova, please let me know, because I need new jeans and I don't know where to go. So I got these, and these are just black, and they are like boot cut or flare or whatever they're called. They have some distressing on them, and I really, really like these. And then the last item in this haul are these jeans, and I have worn these and they fit me okay. They're not like great, but they do fit me. Again, these are also in a size 6. So these are supposed to be high-waisted jeans with distressing over this knee, and then they're kind of just like cut at the bottom. I don't know if these supposed to be ankle pants. I think they are, but I liked how they fit. They just weren't tight enough at the top for me. They're a little bit loose, and they weren't as high-waisted as I would like them to be, because when I think high-waisted I think like going to my belly button, but they didn't really go that high. Okay, so that is it for this haul. But if you guys seriously know of any website that has good jeans, please let me know down below, because I need some new jeans. One thing I do like about Pretty Little Thing is that they have a discount. My total I think was like $500, but I spent in like the 200s because of my student discount. So if you are students, make sure you are utilizing you know, student discount. A lot of websites honestly have student discounts, so make sure you're using them. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell so that you're notified when I post, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.